for specific products. Now let me show you all how to add automated taxes to your store. Let's go over here to the plugins and click on add new. Over here under search plugins, we're gonna type in WooCommerce Tax. So this is the plugin right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this plugin. This plugin is created by WooCommerce. So here I'll click on install now, and then we'll click on activate. Next, it wants us to connect our website to WooCommerce Tax. So here I'll click on connect. Now you'll make a free account with WordPress.com. And you're doing this because we're utilizing the WordPress.com API. So here I'll put in my email. All right, cool. So I went ahead and I logged in. Next, I'll check my email. Next is creating my account. And that is it. We now have automated taxes on our store. Here, I'll click on got it. Now let's go over here and click on tax. And now we need to enable automated taxes. So right here, we can go ahead and enable this, scroll to the bottom and click on save changes. Now remember, this is actually being pulled by the TaxJar API. So TaxJar.com and WooCommerce actually work together, and this is where they're pulling the information. So you can be certain it comes from a very reliable source.